on impact of COVID-19 on education. First of all, education. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Here, school, colleges closed due to COVID-19. The COVID-19 impact was everywhere, which resulted in the closure of schools and other educational institutes. Initially, the government have decided to temporarily close the schools to reduce the impact of COVID-19. Later, it was reopened for a few grades, which increased the number of infection rates and then closed again. Increase in innovation and technology, which the teacher used to finish the curriculum. However, due to lack of infrastructure, productivity suffered. Remote learning was not only available in every family. Educated parents are supporting their children throughout the pandemic, but there are some illiterate parents and their feeling of helplessness to help their children in their education. Delay or cancellation of exam, which leads to confusion for many students, and there is no room for curriculum. According to the Global Internet Network research, just 24% of households had a consistent internet connection, while other areas remained unreachable. As a result, the government was forced to ensure that sufficient benefits and monetary funds were provided. Here, learning loss due to school closure during the COVID-19 pandemic. It leads to complete disconnected from education for the vast majority of the children or inadequate alternatives in the form of online education, including mobile phone-based learning. One complete academic year was elapsed in this manner with almost or no little curriculum learning is the current classes. Equally alarmingly is a widespread phenomena forgetting by the student learning from the previous class is the regression in their curriculum learning. This includes loses foundational abilities such as reading with understanding and performing additional and multiplication, which they learned earlier and become proficient in, and which are the basis of further learning. Online classes. Rise of online classes during the COVID pandemic. COVID-19 has resulted in schools all across the world. Globally, over 1.2 billion children are out of the classrooms. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platform. Develop new online teaching platform. Teacher can remotely teach their student while they are at home using various platforms, some virtual classroom. The teacher shared videos, notes using the Blackboard for easily understanding by the students. This online learning helps the children to touch up with their books and help to learning various things with online studying. Students are attending their classes through various education initiatives like online classrooms, radio programs. Though it is a good things happening on the other side. On the other side, there are lots of students who didn't know the resource to attend the online classes suffer a lot. Many students are struggling to obtain the gadgets required for online classes. Here are the major schemes of the government to ensure education for all citizens. A comprehensive initiative called PME Vidya has been initiated as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan on 17 May 2020, which unifies all efforts related to digital, online, on-air education to enable multi-code access to education. The initiative includes Diksha, One Nation, One Digital Platform. It is the quality e-content for education in state duties and QR coded energized textbook for all grades available on it. 1 year mark Shomprabha TV channels per class from class 1 to 12. One class, one channel. Extensive use of radios, community radios and CBSE podcast Shikhavani. Next is Padhna Likhna Abhiyan. It was implemented during 2020-21. Here e-learning. E-learning during this time, uses of e-learning platform has been increased. These e-learning platforms are helping students to get full access to content. Students are also interacting with the teacher through the various virtual classes. Next is Sham Prabha. It is a group of 32 DTS channel dedicated to high education program on 24/7 basis. These programs of learning are very useful, reliable, and informative for the student, teachers, researchers, scholars, and academians. Learning is being continued with the help of this extensive e-learning platform. It will also help in building the digital skills of the learner. Online education brought a positive impact to lives of students and working professionals. It has given an opportunity to take up additional course along with their studies or jobs as per convenience. Here are some advantages and disadvantages of e-learning. Advantages of e-learning are it is very efficient way for delivering courses online. Due to this convenience and flexibility, the resources are available from anywhere and at any time. Everyone who are part of this, who are part of part-time student working full time can take advantage of this. It saves times and money, better retention, personalized learning, cost-effective, and environment-friendly. Some disadvantages are lack of social interaction. It is one cause of the social isolation because you don't see your teacher and classmate face to face. Inaccessible to other. Cheating is unavoidable. Requires self-motivation and provide time management skill. Focus on theory. You will spend most of time listening to podcasts, watching videos, and looking at the presentation. At the end, technology pave the way education, thus helping the students and teachers to connecting virtually through online classroom, webinar, digital examination, and so on. At last, everything is happening for the well-being of the students so that the can stay safe at home without getting affected by the life-threatening virus. Thank you.